And that's as far as it goes, because I don't have any friends around to dance behind me, hump things. But we could talk about not having friends around to hump things, or we could talk about majestic humpback whales. Heyo! So, I can either go off on this giant tangent about how I spend 20 minutes recording a new video on my precious new orange camera that is freeze-proof, dust-proof, and shock-proof, and go to upload it, and I can't do anything with it. I'm gonna try to stay away from getting on a tangent about how much that sucks, and I'm gonna talk about this new lovely topic that nobody seems to like. I'm talking about Valentine's Day. My Facebook wall is just filled with posts about how Valentine's Day is the dumbest day ever. Some people call it Valentine's Day, and some people just call it Thursday. I think everyone has the right to have their own opinion about what kind of day it is, but to be quite honest, I've always loved Valentine's Day, and I wasn't all that against it either when I was single. Growing up, my parents always, made it very known that Valentine's Day wasn't just about couples, but just expressing to people that you love them. And no, we don't need a specific day to show that. We should be showing it to everybody on every single day, but in the same way, it's a lot like, why do we celebrate a birthday? We could just celebrate the fact that you're alive every day. But sometimes it's kind of nice to have that one little day where you get to feel like it's a little extra special. And I'm a gift person. I make gifts, and I love a good excuse to make a nice gift, especially if it's a little cheesy and it's a little bit on the goofball side. So with that being said, I'm a little bit excited for Valentine's Day. I don't know. I'm kind of in the Valentine spirit. I love it. I'm just ready to take all in on that Valentine's love and just expel it from my brain. Love, 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 love. It's funny because my 20-minute long video just was condensed into a very small, concentrated area because I just figured out exactly what I wanted to talk about. And that doesn't happen too often because my brain's like, pew over here, kind of ADD. Things I did do, though. I did go over some of my special talents. I realized that I didn't have many of them. I tried to change locations in an attempt to spark some new thoughts, some new inspiration, and that just led me to shout majestic humpback whales from just about every room of my house. God knows why you're watching this, why I make them. They make me happy. I like this relationship we have together. I like that I can just expel everything I want to say to you, and you're just gonna suck it up. And it doesn't matter, because it just doesn't matter. Because it just doesn't matter, and it's Wednesday. Yippee! That means it's hump day. For some people, it's the day before hump day. For me, it's majestic humpback whale day. Happy Valentine's Day tomorrow. So it's like a pre-Valentine's Day. Happy on Valentine's Day. Happy pre-Valentine's Day. Pre-Valentine's. My mind just went to a really dirty spot where we were just shooting out hearts with our... Anyway, happy sunny day, happy sunny spring-like day if it's kind of starting to look like it's spring outside even though it's not spring. Sometimes you kind of get a glimpse and you're like, oh, it smells like puke and poo out here, so spring must be coming and I can hear all these birds. And so if it's that kind of day, I mean, happy almost spring. If it is your birthday today, happy birthday. I'm so grateful that, you're around, and maybe you don't want to be another day older, but maybe you do. So if you do, that's great. That's not the case. I apologize for bringing up your birthday when you didn't clearly want to bring attention to it. I apologize. If you got fired today, I'm sorry. I apologize. But if you just got a job today, if you got promoted, I mean, congratulations! If you just had a baby, that's awesome! That's great! I hope your new bundle of joy is ecstatic to be born on this happy, majestic humpback whale day that I've just created just today. That's the whole purpose of this, by the way. The Valentine's spiel? Fuck that. Humpback whales. So, oh my god, where is this going? This is going everywhere. I apologize it's taken so long for me to get back on the video train and just throwing all this stuff at you. I've been busy doing hair, not doing hair. Who knows what I've been doing? I know that all this art has been just coming out of me lately. It's been feeling really good. It's usually how I am, but I kind of hit the pause button on it a little bit, and now it's kind of all in full swing now. If you do want to see what I have been up to when we weren't, you know, conversing back and forth like we usually do, you can have a look just down there, and I got a cool little posty thing, and it's my Facebook page dedicated to my art, so you can check it out, and maybe if you like it, we can be awesome friends by you clicking like, and then we'll just be two happy people. And then, of course, you can hit that little button up there that's subscribe, and just make me a happy little tyke. Hard to wrap this up, because I always feel like I wrap it up 6,000 times, so this one's just going to be fast. It's not going to be long, it's not going to be drawn out. We're just going to get to it, we're just going to get to the point. It's just going to throw it out there, and you're going to take it, and you're going to say, okay, ending, right now. Okay, bye.